welcome back to our channel.
What's up, guys?
Alright guys, today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing.
Oh, my gear got
for
here?
Looptify. Well, it fits both of us. One size fits most. Alright guys, if you guys are not familiar with who Looptify is, they are a platform that works with celebrities, influencers, musicians, athletes to create merchandise for us and their fans. Now they create, you know, apparel, beauty care, skincare, just a ton of items like that. Now I wanted to share with you guys that today on Wednesday, November 11th, they are going to be having a Singles Day sale. Now they'll be having some amazing deals from some of our faves like Dave Chappelle and Celeste Rose. They'll be having up to 30% off, and then I will also have a promo code in the link in my description if you guys want to go ahead and check them out and save some extra money. Alright guys, let's start this unboxing. I honestly could not figure out how to open this box, but it opens up like this. It's so adorable. I actually really like the box. It's like such a perfect like present box. Ooh, what do we have here? Alright, first item that we received. They are these slides, and they have the Looptify on it. They are so cute. Oh, I really like these. These are definitely going to be comfy to wear. Let's see what else. Oh my goodness, nice! We got some masks. I've been wanting these. I've been wanting some black face masks because I think they're so like, they're so trendy. Masks are in. Next item. Ooh, yes, we have a hoodie for this cold weather. I like it. Look, guys. It has the little logo, and then it also has it here. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I like stuff that has, you know, writing or some kind of design on the sleeves. And then it has a whole ton on the back. What does it say here on the back? It says Looptify. It says living out our purpose. Living out our purpose. That is so cool. They have some other logos here. Oh my god, this already feels like it's going to be so comfortable. I'm going to put it on. Oh, we got a shirt. It says connect with us. And then it has the Looptify logo. Oh, I'm definitely going to be wearing this, especially for my workouts. I really like it. I love t-shirts. Let's see, last item. That's it. Box is empty. I'm telling you guys, I really like the box. I'm like weird. I love packaging. Some sweatpants. Ooh, I got a whole outfit. I don't know about you guys. You guys know I'm a mom. I love to be comfy, and sweatpants and sweaters is where it's at, especially right now during this cold weather. Now these have, it has the little logo here, and it has this here. It has some numbers. I'm not sure what that is. If you guys know, let me know. Oh, these are so nice. Alright guys, that was all the merch that I got. Now the sale is going live today on Wednesday, November 11th for Singles Day. Like I mentioned, they are having 30% off. Now it's gonna go live at 11 a.m. I'm pretty sure this video will be up after that, so you guys will be good to just go ahead and click the link in my description, and then you guys can, you know, check out all the types of merch that they have, the special deals, you know, the 30% off, plus using my code Carla15, you guys will get a special discount for that as well. It's 15% off, so definitely go check out their Singles Day sale, and let me know if you guys do end up getting some merch or what you guys liked, and go ahead and leave me some comments down below. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye.